Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this Vogue trend on CapCut PC. So I just selected this video and right at the frame you want it to stop, freeze frame it like this. And you can also make it black and white by going to the adjustments tab and turning down the saturation. I also just copied and pasted it because I want the text to be underneath the image, so I just removed the background real quick. Then I added the text underneath that, and I just typed in the word Vogue, and make sure you've selected a font similar to it. Doesn't have to be the same. I just used this one and I just resized it, and voila, that is it. I just made a few adjustments to it, but it's pretty much it for the trend. Basically just place it more on top of the person's head. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.